slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
yung ating mga tinanim, niripat, pinropa, okay, na maliliit. Okay, bukas papakita ko sa inyo yung mga malalaki dahil tinapos ko kahit madilim na, tapos naglinis pa ako. Ayan na po ang ating nagawa ngayong hapon. Ngayon po ay ano na, Tuesday na ng hapon. So naggawa pa rin tayo, natapos natin yan, hindi tayo nakaalis dahil may sakit pa si babe. Ayan. So dito pinagsama-sama ko muna siya kasi puro naman repat ito. Actually yung Alocasia Negra at saka itong Cellum na to lumungkot na yan, so kailangan makabawi siya overnight. Arabox ng umaga okay na siya. Nung ko na nilagay yung ang tawag dito, crotons, kasi kailangan niya ng araw. Yung mga propa siningit-singit ko na dyan lahat muna. Okay, tapos nakita ko na rin sa inyo yung natapos natin sa Lanay. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa open area. Medyo madilim na talaga ha. So pinagsisingit ko na rin yung ating mga bagong ripat na halaman, bagong pot, bagong bili, nandyan na. Tapos ito, ayan, bagong propa. Ito, bagong ripat. Tapos ito, tinagdagan ng lupa. Kasi ayun yung ayun yung ang tawag dyan, Sanadu na niripat din natin. Ito yung bagong Makuyana. So nag-ayos-ayos tayo. Yung mga pwede pa nating ibaba, binaba ko pa. Kasi technically yung nasa gitna pataas, yan yung mga halaman ko pa. So yung mga nasa baba, yan yung mga propa. Okay, so dito wala naman tayong ginalaw. Okay naman dyan. Ito ngayon, yung Lanay, nilinis ko ng konti yan. Ayan. Yan. So anong nangyari? So ito, ayan kinabit ko na. Ng isang araw, ng isang araw chinek ko, nakaganon pa pala, hindi pa pala nakakabit. So tinali ko na. Pati yung ito, yung sino nga ito, sino to, dito yung pangalan niya, ayan, si Ataba Powense, kinabit ko na rin kasi may nakparte na nakadikit na so tinulungan ko na siya. Itong painted lady, dinagdagan natin ng lupa. Si Burley Marks na pinakita ko sa inyo nakaganon, yan, tinali ko na, dumikit doon. Tapos dinagdagan ko rin ng lupa, si Black something, hindi ko maalala si Black Cardinal din yun. Yan. Tapos pinagpuputol ko yung mga overgrowth nitong Temptation na to. Nagripat ako doon, nandun makikita niyo yun. Tapos ito para lumuwag dito. Tapos yung hanging dito ng mga manaog kairog, isinot ko dyan ulit para mag-ugat siya ulit. Tapos pinagpuputol ko yung ugat ng hanging vine kasi naka-base siya dito. So dadagdagan ko pala ito ng lupa, kailangan ito madagdagan ng lupa. Tapos dito, ito inayos ko yung aking Mexicanum. Ayan, pinagdidikit ko siya dun sa pole niya, tapos dinagdagan natin ng lupa. Okay? So pero ito, hindi ko pa nagalaw. Ito inikot ko lang yung aking Florida Green. Alam ko Florida Green to Alam ko Florida Green yan. Na na lobster green, na lobster type. Ito rin Florida din to, pero nakakapit na. Tapos naputol ko tong ano nga ba ito? Ataba rin yata ito. Ay, sino nga ba ito? 69686. Ayan, 69686. May pagano na siya, naputol. Dahil hindi pa nakakabit. Kinabit ko, tinanim ko ulit doon. Tingnan natin kung mabubuhay. Tapos, dito, nagputol ako dito yung green emerald na ay na yun kasi yung green emerald. Merong gumanon. So, pinutol ko na rin yun. Pinropa ko. Tapos, itong Mayo Eye dito. Mayo Eye nga ba yan? Ikinabit ko na rin. Ay, hindi. Ito yan eh. Ito yan. Green dragon ba yan? Dinikit ko na rin. Okay? Tapos, dito, wala na. Wala tayong ginalaw dyan. Ito pala, dapat dinagdagan kong lupa. Nakalimutan ko. Dark Lord din yata ito eh. Anyway. Yan. So, from here, ayan, dito rin, yan, pinagdikit-dikit lang natin yung halaman na para may paglagyan lang muna. Okay tayo. So, ayan, ang dungis-dungis ko na naman at nakatapos na naman tayo ng trabaho dito sa garden natin. Hopefully, in the next few days, yan, makakanood-nood tayo. I'm planning to get an additional item for the garden, pero pinag-iisipan ko pa kung saan ko kukunin o paano ko gagawin. Okay, so anyway, easy lang naman yung mga ganyan. We will just have to be very resourceful and creative. Alright, so this is Plant Tatay Barry of Antipolo saying bye, Plant Kids. Maraming salamat. Please don't shed. So muli, I would like to say thank you sa ating mga kaibigan sa Plant Family, sa Plant Garden Lovers, sa Team Promote, headed by Nori Oganya Official. Maraming salamat po lagi sa suporta ninyo, lalo na sa ating mga premieres and sa ating mga live shows. No? Thank you very much. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, share, and like po kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating episode for today. Okay, so this is Plant Tatay Barry of Antipolo saying bye, Plant Kids!